Question 47. In this question, we are given that a conveyor belt moves bottle at a constant speed of 120 centimeters per second. Okay, so 120 centimeters is approximately 1.2 meters per second. It is the speed of the conveyor belt. If the conveyor belt moves a bottle from a loading deck to an unloading deck, okay, it is moving from loading deck to unloading deck. We want to find out, is the distance that the conveyor belt moves the bottle less than 90 meters? Okay, so this is the speed. This is the speed of the conveyor belt. Let us take distance as d and time as t. Okay, we want to figure out whether d is less than 90 meters or not. The d less than 90 meters. So it is clearly a yes or no type of problem. Whenever d is less than 90, we will get a yes. Whenever d is greater than or equal to 90, we will get a no. As simple as that. Let us jump to statement 1. Statement 1 says that it takes the conveyor belt less than 1.2 minutes to move the bottle from the loading deck to the unloading deck. Okay, so the time taken is less than 1.2 minutes. It is not equal to, it is less than 1.2 minutes. So let us check. 1.2 minutes is approximately how much seconds? 72 seconds. Statement 1. Okay, so time taken by the conveyor is less than 72 seconds. Okay, so in that much time, distance is equals to speed into time. So in that much time, d will be less than, if I take less than, it will be less than s into t. So s is 1.2 into 70 is equals to 86.4. So distance is always lesser than 86.4 meter, which means that distance will always be lesser than, validity check is done. Okay, from the statement, validity check is done. Distance is equals to 86, which will be less than 86.4. So it will always be lesser than 90. So I will get a yes over here. Always. I will always get a yes over here. So statement 1 is sufficient to answer our problem. Whenever statement 1 is sufficient, we simply knock off options B, C, E. Check rest of the options. Let us jump to statement 2. Statement 2 says that it takes the conveyor belt more than 1.1 minutes to move the bottle from the loading dock to the unloading dock. Okay, so time taken over here is greater than 1.1 minutes, which is equals to approximately 66 seconds. So distance will be greater than speed into time. Okay, we are multiplying it on both the sides by speed. Okay, which is equals to how much? 1.2 into 66, which is equals to 79.2. The distance will always be greater than 79.2 meters. So now the distance can be, let us take two cases. So the distance can be 85 meters or the distance can be 95 meters. Can it be? Yes. From the validity statements, both are greater than 85 meter and 95 meter are greater than 79.2 meters. So validity check done. For the first case, distance is less than 90. Yes. How much it is? 85 is less than 90. So I get a yes over here. But for the second case, 95 is equals to D. It is greater than 90. So I got a no over here. When I get one yes and one no, that statement is not sufficient. And whenever statement 1 alone is sufficient and statement 2 alone is not sufficient, we simply cross on D. And our correct answer is option A. I hope it is clear.